Imagine his shoes an answer.
Shut up, bitch. What's up, George Schmal?
Can't open the door?
Yeah, because we don't have the handle, so there's another way to open it from here, but so we masked it so no access because we masked the thing. So this is the only way to open the door. We paint this car completely. So this car went to another body shop, and they worked on this car on the right side, but the owner didn't like it. So now we're painting complete car, and we're changing parts again. So we changed the hood, door, the carbon molding. So this car's been here for, I think, 1 year.
Why?
Because customer, okay, so the previous body shop who fixed this car, so they messed it up. They lied to the customer, so they didn't change any parts, so they fixed it. And they told the customer we replaced it. So it took us, so insurance company came, they saw it wasn't fixed, so on the end, customer decided like he's gonna pay out of pocket, and then we'll go after the body shop will do it. It's a huge project for body shop. Almost done after a year. Yeah, we're replacing the glass too. There was like a minor crack, like minor, so we're replacing the glass too. I was waiting for this for 3 months. Now these days, German cars like Audi, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, it's hard to get the parts. Ferrari, Lamborghini, it comes from Italy, it takes time. This is the body kit, but it's not a good one. That's some weird company maybe, I don't know.
This will go like this, and this will go like this.
All right, we have another wide body URUS build in progress, and as you guys know, when the Performante and the S came out, some differences, new versions were made, and I'm going to show you guys right now this hood. It's just trying to get attention. Hey man. Hold on. I Cullinan. Luis is not in a good mood today. Anyways, this hood right here, this is actually the older URUS, but we're doing differences to it like the new ones. For example, these vents right here are going on the old version hood. We have to cut these open, and then we're going to be molding these on here. We're going to be painting this and leaving these carbon and leaving these vents carbon. So it's going to look really, really clean. The rest of the kit is pretty much going to get painted right now, and then we'll be able to put it on the car, and we're going to be wrapping the car another color as well. So a lot of work is going right now on this wide body URUS project, as well as this Porsche Cayman project behind me. This is the Rocket Bunny kit, and per signature Luis fashion, he is making the kit fit better. The kit doesn't fit great, and we want it to fit great. So as you can see right there in the middle, the side skirt was not fitting correctly, so we actually ended up cutting it and extending it out so it could fit properly. So that's what he's doing right now over there. He's getting everything to fit properly, and then this car is actually going to get wrapped. It's wrapped already satin black, so the whole kit's going to get wrapped satin black. We have wheels on order for it too. This Cayman is below $20,000 car, and he's doing this body kit on it with new wheels. I mean, everything going into this car is more expensive than the actual car's worth. But that's what true car enthusiasts really, it's passion. And building something like that is all about that, so.
For my subscribers.
What is that
For my subscribers.
There's two stencils, you know why, right? Because those lines.
Yeah.
So you paint this first, and then you put that and you paint it. Yeah. You know how?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, I got him a new stencil for the paint booth. He's going to be painting it. He's going to use the highest quality paint for the RDB sticker. So, yeah, stay tuned on the Cayman, the URUS. The G-Wagon pickup truck is almost done. The rear bumper, we completely custom made the whole side of it. Looks beautiful. We'll show you guys that right now. Remember, this is an Australia right-hand drive G-Wagon, complete factory when it came. So the rear bumper has been extended about 1.5 feet. And it's not only about extending it, it's the design. This bumper has different designs going throughout. It has like a line going, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 lines going across the bumper. So you got to match all that, and it has to also match the wide body carbon fiber flares we're putting on there. So once this rear bumper is done, we're gonna primer everything and paint this truck.
Who put a fucking smiley face on the roof
Dude,
over
I
there?
saw that. How do you get that? How
Oh,
did you
shit.
get up there? Why are you watching?
Hmm?
Why are you watching him?
Nothing, relaxing.
Oh, relax.
Sometimes it's stressed out. Bro.
Yeah. I like the new shoes.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. You and Sarkis both got new shoes.
I got yesterday for work.
See Sarkis's?
Oh yeah, expensive.
$700.
$1,000.
Yeah.
Oh no, this one is $20, I guess. Let me see.
You don't like his?
Huh?
You don't like his?
The color I don't like.
Matches his G-Wagon.
With the finger first. With the fingers first.
Huh?
With the finger first.
Hold on.
Con el dedo, güey.
It's easier this way.
No, sin esta madre. Sí, así. Dedo, sí. This thing is heavy. Damn, this is harder than the Mansory kit. This is a real bumper. This is a real bumper. So this Cadillac, this car is in here to put on the front bumper and some pieces in the rear bumper. This is a car collector. He loves this car. It is a convertible. It's nice, actually. It took Javier almost all day to put this bumper together. So the whole bumper was missing.
Oh.
So the bumper came in separately. So we had to assemble the bumper because it came in a lot of pieces. There's a lot of screws, brackets on this thing. It's insane. This is actually a real bumper. So if this person gets into a car accident, trust me, this is gonna do some damage. So really, really heavy and strong. Steel.
We just got this package in. Our customer sent us a Cullinan and a full body kit from the East Coast. Not sure exactly where. Body kit out. We are checking it out, making sure we have all the pieces. Like I said, the customer ordered this kit and he sent it to us, so we have no idea the contents of it or what they are, but we see it now. It has some beautiful forged carbon fiber throughout. All the pieces have been confirmed, and we're gonna get to work. So in the near future, you guys are gonna see a wide body Cullinan done as well with a different type of kit.
What brand is this?
I think Mansory?
So the Mini is nothing to do with this. Mansory is like
Perfect?
Perfect, yeah. I like this body kit.
We're a little late on Halloween, but want to wish everybody happy Halloween. You know, every Halloween we wear costumes, so we last minute did some stuff, and we decided to go with the food theme. Except me and my child were matching F1 drivers. But as you can see, Sarkis is a pizza slice, Chiquito is a lobster, Luis is a banana, Moses is also a pizza because he loves it. Javier's a hot dog, and then we have our combo right here. It's the Happy Meal. That comes with a lobster, apparently. So, burger, French fries, right there.
Vic's costume costs more than all these combined, probably.
It actually costs more than this right here.
It's missing a bunch of the guys because they're not being festive today. But Sarkis, go over there.
Yeah, don't worry, your Russian girls are not gonna see it. I thought it was a podcast. I thought it was a podcast. Cut.
All right, happy Halloween.
Question for Moses is, why does he keep the hair? It's like 90% gone.
That's fucked up. That's fucked up.
But you guys are Armenian, so he's better off just going to Turkey and just getting the whole thing done properly.
Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. Alright? So, see you on the next one. Haha!